My role at Peterson Cat is the manager of forest products and development. I manage the forestry division for Peterson Caterpillar from the sales, application, and product support side. So my experience with the 528 development was very positive. Started talking about the 528 and how the machine would fit into the current lineup of forestry swing machines that Caterpillar offers. We were looking for a machine that was obviously smaller than our current 538, but just as nimble, fast, a machine that could work in smaller units where maybe hard transportation limitations, getting that machine into certain areas due to gates, roads, things of that nature, but yet still having the power to handle some of the larger wood you'll see on some of these private jobs that we have in Oregon and Washington, where you need a machine that's not only fast but powerful, is able to handle a larger payload, load out full-size log trucks and things of that nature. Peterson Cat's approach with the forest industry here in the Northwest is a customer-first approach. So we've taken steps to develop a forestry program that puts the customer first by implementing personnel that are dedicated to the forestry lineup that Caterpillar offers. Once the machine's been delivered, we try to build a relationship with the customer with not only our MSRs, who initially started the relationship, but with our delivery and revisit personnel, with our PSSRs. We want to give the customers a group of people that they can rely on when they have issues down the road. So they know that not only can they get a hold of the service department or the parts department for their regular needs, but there's also a lifeline, if you will, of people they can reach out to when they're down and time is of the essence, time-sensitive jobs, and they need to get back up and running as soon as possible. That relationship continues through the life cycle of the machine. There's a relationship that's built between the forestry staff and the customer, and small things like performance improvements, tune-ups, questions, service-related items, parts-related items. The customer has a group of people that they can rely on in order to get the answers they need so that they can be as productive as possible. Working with this customer on the FM528 field follow has been absolutely great. They've been very supportive, very easy to communicate with. They've had excellent feedback about the quality of the product and some of the improvements that it may need before it goes into production. And they've always obviously made the machine very readily accessible, not only to Peterson Cat staff, but also to Caterpillar staff as well that are monitoring the field follow program. Recently had the opportunity to operate the FM528, and it was absolutely amazing. I'm very familiar with the operation of the Caterpillar FM538, 48, 58, and 568. Great machines, best in class performance in my book. The 538, in my opinion, one of the fastest, smoothest, nimble operating machines out on the market today. But most recently got the chance to run the FM528 and again was blown away by its performance. The speed, multifunctionality, travel speed on ground, and the lift capacity just blew my mind. Didn't think that Caterpillar could make a product any better than the 538, but they did. That wrapped up into a smaller package is going to be a great addition to our forestry swing machine fleet. Top three features of the FM528. Number one would be the cab. Best in class cab in my opinion. Same cab we use on our entire forestry swing machine fleet. Second thing would be travel speed. Excellent travel speed, easy to control, and not only you have the speed of the travel, but you have the power of the travel. You have the attractive effort of the travel, which is a great addition to the overall speed of the travel. Third thing would be the multifunctionality of the machine. The boom, arm, heel rack, grapple control, very smooth, very fast. One of the fastest machines I've ever operated. And you couple that with the number 4 that I'm going to throw in, and that's lift capacity. Put all 4 of those together, I think we've got a best-in-class machine that'll complement our forestry swing machine line very well.